Good morning, guys. How is everybody? I hope you guys had a happy Easter, even despite some of the crazy weather yesterday. And I hope you guys had a great weekend. All right. So today is Monday, and it is still April, and it's the 13th. So it is Monday, April 13th, 2020. Our weather, it is supposed to be sunny today, but our high is only 45. So I'm going to go with cool. Kind of a little chillier than what we've had on those nice, beautiful days. All right, our breaking news story is about sports. Yay for sports! But the NFL All Decade Team, Pro Football Hall of Fame, announced the All Decade Team. The team includes NFL football players in the last 10 years. The team includes the best NFL football players. The Pro Football Hall of Fame picked the players. They picked 53 players on April 6th. The players include Tom Brady, J.J. Watt, Aaron Rodgers, and Rob Gronkowski. Many of the players won Super Bowl games. The Pro Football Hall of Fame picked two coaches too. The players and coaches were excited. So the NFL decided to pick the best players for the last 10 years. They came up with 53 players. So let's go ahead on our questions. What announced the All-Decade Team? Was it the Rodeo Hall of Fame, the Pro Football Hall of Fame, or the Hockey Hall of Fame? Now let's think about this. Did we talk about the rodeo? No. Did we talk about hockey? No. So we know it has to be the Pro Football Hall of Fame. Who are the All Decade Team? Are they NFL football players, Major League Baseball players, or NBA basketball players? Now, we didn't talk about baseball or basketball, so it is NFL football players. What did many of the players win? Did they win March Madness, World Series, or the Super Bowl? Yep, the Super Bowl, because it's football, so we know it's the Super Bowl. And I looked it up and I realized that there are actually 6 Chiefs players that made it. Travis Kelsey, Tyreek Hill, and Tyrann Mathieu are the ones that are still currently on the team that made it. And then there were 3 that made it that used to be on the team. LaShawn McCoy, Eric Berry, and Darrelle Revis. We don't watch the video. So very cool that there were some Chiefs players on there too. All right, for the choice board, I did the what is a fact and what is opinion statements. So a fact, just a refresher. A fact is something that's always true. Facts can be proven with research. So it's something that we can go and find out for certain and research and check and make sure, right? An opinion is how I feel and what I think. And it can't be proven because it's different from person to person. Like, I think that pepperoni pizza is not very good, but some other people love pepperoni pizza. That's an opinion. All right, so let's roll through these. Which ones are facts and which ones are opinion? We are going to delete the ones that are opinions. All right. So summer is the best season. Is that a fact? Can that be proven? No, that's someone's opinion. Other people think winter is the best. I get to play in the snow. I get to go sledding, build snowmen, whatever. So that we know is an opinion. So we are going to get rid of that one. Maybe. Maybe not. There it goes. All right. There are 7 days in a week. Is that true? Is there always Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday? So there's always 7 days in a week. We know that. We know that that is true. It's always like that every week. So that one is a fact. All right. Red and blue make purple. So if I take a red paint and a blue paint and I mix them together, I get some shade of purple, no matter what, all the time. It may be a different shade of purple. It may kind of be a light purple, maybe a dark purple, depending on the red and blue. But that we know because I proved it by testing it with the paint. I know that that one is a fact. Red is the best color. I don't think so. Red's not my favorite color. Pink is my favorite color. So is that one an opinion or a fact? Yep, that one is an opinion. So we're going to get rid of it because everybody likes a different color. We all have different favorite colors. So, and it changes. It's not always the same. So we know that that one is an opinion. All right, 3 and 2 make 5. So let's prove this, right? Let's see if we can prove it. We have 3, 2. Oh, I get my camera. If I count those together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They made 5. I proved it. That shows me it was a fact. It was proven. So those are my 3 facts. See if you guys can think of some other facts and opinions, and ask your family. Check and see what they say is an opinion and what a fact is. But that's it for today. You guys have a great day. I will see you all later.